In this lesson, we're going to learn how to calculate the determinant of a 4x4 matrix. We're given this matrix A and we're also find its determinant. So let's start by assigning sign conventions here. We have plus, minus, plus, and then minus. Now the next thing we're going to do is to reduce this 4x4 matrix into 3x3 matrix using these following sign conventions and then taking the first row. So we're going to use this first row to reduce it to 3x3 matrix. So first of all, we are going to start with this one here, that is row 1 and column 1. So if we eliminate this first column and first row, we are going to be left with 2, 5, 1, 0, 1, 2 and 8, 5, 1. We are going to write them out. So we have plus 1, then into we're going to have 2, 5, 1, this 2, 5, 1, then 0, 1, 2, and then 8, 5, 1. So next we are going to write negative 0. So we are going to eliminate this second column and then first row and write out the remaining elements. So if you do that, we are going to have 3, 4, 2, 5, 1, 5, and 1, 2, 1. So next we are going to use this third column. Then we have plus 3. We are going to eliminate this third column and then eliminate the first row and then write out the remaining elements. If we do it, we are going to have 3, 2, 1, 4, 0, 2, and then 2, 8, 1. So the next thing we're going to do again is to use this negative 0, then eliminate this last column and then eliminate the first row and then write out the remaining elements. So if you do that, we have negative 0, then we have 3, 2, 5, 4, 0, 1, 2, 8, 5. So the next step is to find the determinant of this 3x3 matrix. So we have plus, minus, and then plus. So we start with plus 2. Then if you eliminate this first column and then first row, we're going to be left with 1, 2, 5, and 1. Then we have minus 5. If we eliminate this second column and first row, we will be left with 0, 2, 8, and 1. Then we have plus 1 here. So if we eliminate the first row and the last column, we're going to have 0, 1, 8, and 5. Left out, we have 0, 1, 8, and 5. So let's solve this matrix now. So we have plus 2, then 1 times 1 is 1, minus 2 times 5 is 10. So we have minus 5, then 0 times 1 is 0 rather, then 2 times 8 is negative 16. Then plus 1 into 0 times 5 is 0, minus 1 times 8 is 8. So we have 2, then multiply by 1 minus 10 is minus 9, then have minus 5, 0 minus 16 is minus 16, then plus 1, 0 minus 8 is minus 8. So this is going to be equal to 2 times negative 9 is negative 18, minus 5 times minus 16 is plus 80. Then we have plus times minus is minus 1 times 8 is 8. So minus 18 plus 80 minus 8 is going to give us 54. So this 54 is the answer for this determinant of this 3x3 matrix. So let's keep it aside here. We have 54. Now let's come to this one. We have negative 0. Now 0 is going to multiply this whole matrix. So all of this, 0 multiplied by any number is 0. So all of this is going to reduce to 0. Same thing is applicable to this one. 0 is going to multiply this matrix and it will reduce to 0. So there's no need of us calculating the determinant of this matrix. So let's just focus on this one here. So you have plus, minus, and plus. So let's start with this first column. So we're going to eliminate first column and first row using that positive 3. So we're going to have 0, 2, 8 and 1. So this 0, 2, 8 and 1. Then we have minus 2. Then we're going to eliminate the first row and then the second column. When we do that, we're going to have 4, 2, then 2 and 1. Then we have plus 1. Then we're going to eliminate the first row and then the last column. So we're going to be left with 4, 0, 2 and 8. So we have 3. 0 times 1 is 0. Then minus 2 times 8 is 16. Then we have minus 2. Then 4 times 1 is 4. Minus 2 times 2 is 4. Then plus 1. 4 times 8 is 32. Minus 2 times 0 is 0. So we have 3 into 0 minus 16 is minus 16. Then minus 2 into 4 minus 4 is 0. Then plus 1 into 32 minus 0 is 32. So 3 times negative 16 is equal to negative 48. Then minus 2 times 0 is minus 0. Then plus 1 times 32 is plus 32. So minus 48 minus 0 plus 32 is going to be equals to minus 16. So for this we have minus 16, and then for this we have 54. So let's continue. So we are going to have plus 1, which is this one here, then into this 54, which is the answer we got from the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix. Then we have minus 0, then plus 3 into this negative 16 that we got, then minus 0. So 1 times 54 is equals to 54, then minus 0, then plus 3 times negative 16 is negative 48, then minus 0. So 54 minus 0 is equals to 54, then minus 48 minus 0 is minus 48. So 54 minus 48 is equal to 6. So the answer to this question is equals to 6. So this is how to calculate the determinant of a 4 by 4 matrix. If you like what I'm doing, please feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the post notification bell so that each time I post a new video, you're going to be the first to watch it. Also don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.